Hi, dear all. Today I'm going to discuss how to read data in R from STATA, Excel, or CRB format. So I'll discuss practically. First of all, I need the example data. I have uploaded in my ResearchGate account 3 data set: my data CSV, my data STATA, my data Excel. I gave the link in my video description. Please download these data sets from the link. Just you have to go to Google and paste the link. This is my ResearchGate account and research data. You have to click data. There are many data in this account. By just download my data CSV. No, this no a code book. Of course, you need code book. My data is data and my data Excel. Where is Excel data? Yes, my data Excel. This data, this data, and and this data. Just my data. There are many data where sometimes you will see my BDSA data, my practical data, my case control data, but please download just my data is data, codebook, my data CSV, and my data Excel, and then you will create a folder in D drive, just D drive, because in my R code, I will link the D drive with the software. So please write, uh, create or make a folder named ABC, just ABC. And in this folder, please paste this data set, my data CSV, my data stata, and my data Excel, this data. Today, I will discuss how to read this data set in R. So first up, we have to open R. This is our R windows. But to read this data set, we need some package. And of course, as you know, hope you know that how to install the package. To read the CSV data, we do not need any package. But to read the Excel data, we need some package. And just we have to install library read XL. This package for data read from Excel. Then another data library foreign 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 data will be used for reading data when the Excel when the stata is old format, like stata format 10, stata format 11, or stata format 12. But if we read data stata new format like stata 13 or 14, then we need library haven haven. But if the packages are not installed in your computer, then please install this computer. This is very easy. Just you have to click package package, then you have to click is install, and you have to type, for example, read Excel, read Excel, then click install. by I will not click here because already the packages are installed in my computer. Later, when we will discuss data management, then we will need another package named tidyverse. Library tidyverse. This is the composite package. The one of the main important is the deployer. Ggplot, all packages are in this combined package. So if we install this package, then we will do on deployer, ggplot, and there are many packages. And another package, when we will analyze data, then we'll need another library gtsummary. This is the powerful package, and using this package, we can summarize data, we can make table for report or manuscript. So we'll discuss later, but today we'll discuss only how to read data. Now we will change our directory. We kept our folder in the D drive ABC folder. So we can write W. This is the command for change directory. Invited comma D clone / ABC. If we give the run, yes, the directory was changed. If we see the directory, just dir and give the run. Yes, in this directory, there are 4 files: my data CSV, my data STATA, my data Excel, and new folder. So we can easily read the data from that folder. First of all, I will read data, CSV data. We have to give the name of object. For example, just A1. Then this is the assignment symbol. This is A1 defined by me. A1, A2, etc. A1, then read, read dot CSV, and we will copy this file and paste. Of course, within inverted comma. If we give run, yes. If we give the run, just run, yes, already data was read. The set was read, and the object name is A1. If we click here, yes, this is the data, CSV data. Another data, this is format dir, yes, Excel, this data. We'll read this data in R. How to read? Just we have to type for example, A2 assignment symbol, read Excel. Sorry, read Excel. Excel. Within inverted comma, copy and paste. Paste. If we read, is data were read. But remember, please, in the Excel data, there are many sheets. For example, sheet one name is data, then code book, then sheet two. If there are many sheets, then we should give the name of the sheet in R code. How? Just we have to type comma sheet name sheet name data one. Sheet name is data one. Data one. Give the run. Yes. This is the data set. Now is data. A3. This is the new format. That means this data format 13, 14, or 15. Read underscore DTA. And within inverted comma, inverted comma, this is the syntax for reading the starter data, and we give run, yes. A1, A2, A3. We give A1, A2, A3. This is starter data. Same data, just separate format. Okay, this is the R code for reading data, uploading data. So I will give the R code in my video comment, not description. But if we get a description, then maybe there will be problem. But I'll try to give this R code in my comment box in my video. So please, first of all, download this data from my ResearchGate account. Then please keep the data in D drive, ABC folder, ABC folder, ABC folder. Then please write this R code. But of course, we have to install this package in our computer. Thank you so much.